Hey everybody, we're gonna go ahead and launch some of these cool model rockets. Looks like we got the Estes Amazon, the Crossfire with our awesome blue and red paint job, and the Alpha 2 or 3, I don't remember. But let's get these launching. Okay folks, we're launching the Crossfire in 5, 4, 3. Whoa! There we go, we have deployment. A little bright in the sun. There it comes down. There's the Crossfire, landed nice and safe. All right, we got the Alpha 3 all hooked up, ready to go. Let's launch. Okay, ready? Launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! All right, here it comes. There it goes. Coming down fast. Whoa! And here she is, landed safe and sound. Okay folks, here goes the Amazon with a C65 engine. We're gonna hit 500 feet. Let's do it. Okay, Amazon launch in 5, 4, oh, early, whoa! There she goes. Oh, there we go, parachute fully deployed. All right, there's the Amazon, landed safe and sound. Alpha 3 B64 engine, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
It's like this way.
Yeah, it's gonna blow back this way, guys. There it goes. Very strong. Okay, folks, looks like we lost the Alpha 3. We launched from over there. It went up here. And I think it flew on top of the school. We lost it in the sun. Oh well. Someone will get it one day. Okay folks, looks like we lost our Amazon 2 on the roof. This is our last launch, the Crossfire B64. Let's do it. Launch in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, there it goes. And we have deployment. Let's chase this thing down. All right, there's the Crossfire, we got it. Hey, check it out. Alpha did not blow on top of the school roof. He's right here. We found it. All right. Okay. Well, we appreciate you guys watching our videos. If you guys like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.